This is the Buffer pH Henderson Hasselbalch interactive calculator, which solves buffer chemistry problems using the Henderson Hasselbalch equation. The calculator has a drop-down menu for select calculation mode with 6 options. Calculate pH from pKa and concentrations. Calculate pKa from pH and concentrations. Calculate base concentration from pH and pKa. Calculate acid concentration from pH and pKa. Calculate concentration ratio from pH and pKa, and calculate buffer capacity. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate pH mode. The input fields are pKa, pH, base concentration A- in molar, acid concentration HA in molar, and total buffer concentration in molar. Let me show you a worked example. I'll enter pKa equals 10, pH equals 10, base concentration equals 10 molar, acid concentration equals 10 molar, and total buffer concentration equals 10 molar. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows pH equals 10,000. The concentration ratio displays A- over HA equals 1,000, meaning equal amounts of base and acid forms. The buffer range indicates an effective range from 9.0 to 11 Celsius, with a buffer status of effective buffer. The interpretation confirms this buffer system is operating within its effective range and will resist pH changes efficiently. This tool streamlines buffer calculations for any engineering application requiring precise pH control. Find the link in the description below.